Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and I don't know if you could make anything easier than what we're getting ready to here. All we're going to do, we're going to take some smoked sausage, we got the beef, we're going to make jambalaya. Now this here is in a box. I'm telling you now folks, when it comes to spice, heat, all three of us are wimps. So we got the mild. You can get regular. It's a little bit spicy. It ain't bad. I mean, we can eat that there. But when I happen to see the mild, that's what I picked up. You can use chicken, shrimp, whatever you want to put in it, folks. Like I always say, make it yours. What we're going to do, we're going to cut this up into about 1/2 inch pieces, slices. And we'll put a little bit of oil in there. The box calls per box right here 2.5 cups of water. We've got 5 cups here because we've got 2 boxes, and put it on there, get it to a boil, and then turn it to a simmer, and 30 minutes, supper's ready. Let's get started. Alrighty folks, you can slice it up to whatever thickness you want. That's about how thick we're doing it, roughly 1/2 inch. Nope, with the price of food and everything the way it is, when you're out and you happen to see a sale or whatever, you're gonna grab it. And I was in the store and happened to see this here sausage was marked down, and so grabbed it, and it'll be a fast, quick meal. Like I said, you slice it to whatever thickness you want. Shrimp would be good in this. I think I've told you before, Daniel though, he can't eat shrimp. He's got an allergy to shrimp. It's funny, Carolyn can eat shrimp, but she can't eat fish. Daniel can eat fish, but he can't eat shrimp. Now, after we get done slicing this up, we'll put our water in there, and then combine everything up, bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer there, and we'll be eating. I know I ain't the fastest cutter here, but hey, luckily we didn't get no fingers. Alrighty, put this on the stove, and then we'll add our water. Alrighty, opening the box up here. Pour right in. And it says mild, folks. Let's hope so. Like I said, when it comes to seasoning like that there, we're wimps. Go ahead and turn the stove on. Let me throw my trash here away, and then we'll add our oil and our meat. It says put in about a tablespoon of oil. There we go. I'll go ahead and get us a wooden spoon here. Give this a stir. We'll get it to boiling here. We get the sausage and put that in there. Shoot, folks, as far as that goes, you wouldn't even have to add no meat. No, I like this sausage pretty good. We all do. Like I said, you put cooked chicken, shrimp, whatever you'd like. Some onions be good down in there too. Alrighty, now all we do now, folks, let this come to a boil, then we'll turn it back down to a simmer. 30 minutes, we're eating. Alrighty. We let it cook for 25 minutes there after it started boiling. Now we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and then we'll be ready to eat. Alrighty folks, there it is. Quick, easy, delicious meal. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, if you would, like and subscribe, hit the little bell notification. Let your friends know about us. You all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon.